participated on the ICEBlockpad waitlist. Blockpad waitlist registration has ended, and right now we are migrating straight to the public beta testnet. Alright, so in today's video I will be guiding us on how to participate on the public beta testnet, alright, and also to be sure that you'll be eligible if you put on the work and the step-by-step process I will be guiding us in this video. So do well to make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end so that you will be eligible for the airdrop, because airdrop projects are projects that you have to pay rapt attention, you have to give keen attention to if you want to be eligible, because many a times many people will farm testnet projects and it will be so unlucky for them, unfortunate for them, that they will now receive that they are not eligible for the airdrop. Why? Because there were some few steps they didn't pay attention to. So in the case of this video, we'll be rectifying every area, we'll be touching every area to ensure that we are eligible. So let's go straight to their X page, right? So this is their official X account. You can see ICEBlockpad is a leading Fair Launchpad and Decentralized Exchange launching on the ICE blockchain. So they'll be coming to ICE blockchain. So if you are not familiar with the ICE community, make sure you familiarize yourself with them. They are big shots, all right. And also you can see they actually tweeted that was yesterday, the wait list was over and the public testnet is now live. All right, so without further ado, let me quickly guide you on how to get started on the testnet project. All right, so this is how you go about the testnet. In the description of this video, I'm going to leave the link below. All you just have to do is just go ahead and register. So once you complete your registration, you'll get this interface. All right, you get this interface. I'm using Chrome. You get this interface. So all you have to do is just to come here daily and claim your 10,000 testnet ICE. You can see it, testnet ICE, T ICE. All right, so you just come here and claim. You can see mine. All right, it said that I have claimed this morning. That's why I can't claim twice in a day. So you claim every 24 hours, and this is where you get your referral link. All right, so on the option here, this is where you complete all the available tags. So the first tax here is swap. You click on the swap. All right, and you click on the swap, you can swap 25%. So whichever percent you would like to swap, you just go ahead and swap. All right, you just go ahead and you swap to BPAD. All right, so 100 TIs is 10 BPAD, so you can just go ahead and swap. And also you can decide to swap back by clicking here. All right, click here, you swap your 10 back to the TIs. All right, so testnet is more or less like interacting with the chain. So the more all the transaction you are doing, they are being tracked. You can see it here. So it is from your history, all the transaction you have been doing in the blockchain, that's what will now be calculated and you now receive your airdrop. So you must be active and you must be doing something. All right, so it's as simple as that. So let's also swap from BPAD to USDT. So let's swap 25% of our BPAD to USDT. All right, so I'll swap to USDT. And also I can still swap back from USDT to BPAD. Let me swap 25%. Alright, so it's as simple as that. So I've done for that of the swapping for the day. You go to add liquidity. Alright, you can see add liquidity, you can see remove liquidity. So let's add 25% to liquidity. I've added 25% to liquidity. Let's remove 25%. Remove 25% from liquidity. Alright, so that's what you'll be doing on a regular basis. You can see my volume is already accumulating. Alright, so my volume is already accumulating. All the tasks I'm doing, they are being calculated. Alright, so just make sure you are active and be active in doing those tasks. Alright, the next one is staking. So let's go and stake some of our TIs. So let's take 25%. Alright, and let's unstake some little value. Let's unstake 100. So you just be doing the tasks on a regular base, and that's that for that. And also you can see additional tasks. That simply means swap, add, liquidity, and staking. They are also tasks. So this one is additional task. Let's see the additional task. This one will prompt us to connect our what is it called, our Twitter account. So connect your Twitter account. You can see I've connected my Twitter account. Connect your Discord account. So you just go ahead and connect your Discord account. All right, so let me verify that username. Let me be sure that. All right, so the username is very correct. So you just go ahead and connect. I've connected. Then connect my Telegram. All right, so I'll connect my Telegram account. That's also correct. Now I should follow them on Twitter. I think I'm already following them on Twitter. All right, I'm already following them on Twitter. So it should be confirmed after 5 minutes. Then I should like and repost this. So just go ahead and repost, then like. All right. That will be confirmed after 5 minutes as well. Discord, I said, okay. I should follow their Discord. I think I'm already following them on Discord during the waitlist tasks. Alright, so just go ahead and also do the needful and make sure you are verified. This is another area that you need to really check when it comes to testnet. They don't joke with Discord. Alright, make sure you have done the Discord verification and also engage in roles. Alright, so just make sure you are active on their Discord and do whatever that is necessary. Alright, make sure you drop a message there so that there will be an history that you actually joined that community. Alright, I think that's that for that. I'm already verified, so I can send message into the platform. So let's go back to the testnet page. Okay, it's already counting. Now they say I should join their Telegram for news. I think I'm already following them also on Telegram. I'm following them. Alright, so that's that for that. I've completed all the mandatory tasks that are needed. And remember the ICE, okay, say hold ICE. Alright, so for those who hold ICE will be earning extra points. Alright, for those ICE holders, okay, their NFT will be like this. So ICE, this is old ICEBlockpad Pioneer NFT. So for those who have the NFT, soon it will be available for minting. Then we'll be able to mint the NFT here. Alright, so please, if this is your first time following us, please do well to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell so that whenever subsequent project is being shared, either new alpha or a subsequent update in regards to an existing project, you will be notified so that you can take right attention, you can participate as fast as possible. And also in the description of this video, I'm going to leave our WhatsApp community. Please do well to join. Alright, there are some projects that I can't share on YouTube, but I have liberty to share them on my WhatsApp community and Telegram community. Alright, so Web3 Simplified is all about simplifying the Web3 space. Alright, so we engage into AI, we engage into farming, airdrop, trading, and many other areas on the blockchain. So just make sure you are in the community. Alright, so please, for me to further recap what I just said, on a daily basis, please just make sure you come here to claim your faucet. Alright, so you claim your faucet. This is one of the most easiest testnet project I've ever engaged. Alright, so make sure you claim your testnet project, your faucet. Then you come and do your swap in, swap back, swap in, swap back. You can do it multiple times. Alright, also add liquidity, remove liquidity, add liquidity, remove. Then you now add liquidity at the end. Then you now go back to stake. You stake you unstake, you stake again, you leave there. Then you check additional tax. If there's any other tax like share on their Twitter space, you just make sure you also engage. All right, and also make sure you are following them on X, so that when information dropped, you get informed. All right, and also join our WhatsApp community. Subscribe to this channel, join our WhatsApp community. Thank you.